Hey pack leaders, it's here, friends. Right, protecting family, protecting pack. I want to kind of do this video, make an announcement about what we're gonna be posting in the future. We recently were doing a lot of cryptocurrency stuff and kind of posting about results and the bot and all this other stuff. But not every day do I really post, and there's other things that we do that I want to share. And I just want to maybe say this is more about a channel more about families and how to be a better father, husband, and provider for our family, be able to leave a legacy and instill values to our children. And I kind of want to share that to the world and the things that I've learned and picked up. And not every day am I really that passionate about cryptocurrencies. I don't follow all the news, and that's the whole point of bot trading, because I don't want to have to, sit and watch charts all day and tick marks and babysit them, right? And there's really nothing too interesting about that, but we do it because there's so much power and leverage and the possibility of using that to provide and create a passive income source. Okay, and with that is to do the fun stuff of traveling, RVs, going to the shooting range, aquaponics, growing your own garden, getting off the fiat dollar, and any ways that we can, I'm doing my business to provide for my family. We're also doing we're Airbnb in our RV, and I'm excited to share about that. The in and out little RVs, the upgrades to the RVs, maybe the trips that we take, places to take our kids, and some ideas. Having dinner conversations, lessons for our kids, maybe some cooking recipes that my wife does, and making really good cookies that we can share with y'all, and just other things that I do. Just so it'll be kind of kind of a lot of randomness, I'd say, but maybe there's not one niche, because I really don't. I kind of get bored, I'd say, sticking to one little thing. So I like to maybe do things here, something that interests us, but it's all geared about providing better experience and memories with our families. And I think that's the general thing, where it's just not one thing, and there's so many things that we want to share with our kids and kind of observe different experiences that our kids go through, and kind of see what their strengths are. Are they really good at physical stuff and exercising, gymnast, swimming, and then some might be better with math and just more analytical, a little quiet, they don't really talk too much. And there's just our kids are totally different from one to the other, and kind of discovering their strengths and weaknesses, and then promoting their strengths and things that they love to do, and enhancing those skills. And also, teaching our kids not just the conventional go to school, get a job, but social media marketing, YouTube, growing their channels too. Maybe they can leverage off my channel when I'm gone, I don't know. And then providing some kind of long-term income source, not the conventional kind of way. So I just want to do that, let you guys know that it's not going to be all about crypto anymore. And that way I can post multiple times a day. I can share a lot of things. I could be fishing, show you some fishing tips and tricks, some lures. We're going to do some Amazon product reviews that I purchased for my family, and then say, hey, this is a great product I want to share with you guys. I'll do a review on that. So if you guys are looking for maybe a fishing rod, or a grill system, or an RV part, or a shooting kind of accessory, I'll have that all for you too. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you like that kind of content, give me subscribe below. You want be a better husband and still value to our kids, and a better parent. This is what this channel is about. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button, and we'll get to know each other. Thanks.